My name is Beth Conroy. Every time you look in the mirror, you should see the words, "You are whole, perfect, and complete," etched around your face. That is who you are. No one can take that away from you. But sometimes we forget to see it. And sometimes we get distracted by mental illness. As I was growing up as a child, I lived with an undiagnosed mental illness, and I was surrounded by love. People loved me. They shared words of affirmation. They reminded me of who I was, but my mind could not take that information in. It was not accessible. I started drowning. I was drowning in loneliness and fear, and I could see a shimmer of what was happening. I couldn't get up. When I was 14, I found alcohol. Alcohol was that life preserver. I put it on, I shot to the surface, and I could see people, and they could see me, and I wasn't lonely. And a year later, I was offered medication. I was diagnosed with a mental illness. And with that medication, I was asked to stop drinking alcohol. What I heard was, "You will be lonely again." And I chose the alcohol. And the alcohol worked for a long time. I'm so grateful for that life preserver. And then I got really heavy, and it stopped working. And the waves were crashing the memory of being that child, and the loneliness and the fear was creeping in, and I could see what I needed disappearing. And my family came, and they offered me medication. And I said yes this time. And this time, it worked, and there was a clearing, and there was a space, and I was myself. And I shot up with the medication. I landed on land. Imagine yourself being in a room full of people, being seen, but not knowing who you are. Not knowing who you are until you hear the words, "You are whole, perfect, and complete just the way you are." And when I heard those words, when someone saw me, I saw the mirror, and it was me. I saw myself in the mirror. And I will never unknow that I am whole, perfect, complete. In this moment and that moment, I was never broken. It was in that reflection of someone else seeing in me that I was gifted this power of knowing that none of us are broken. So I ask of you, in my seeing of you that I am whole, that you do the same for someone else by remembering that you are whole, perfect, and complete just the way you are. Thank you.